She cheated on me with 2 guys. I was 19. It was my first serious relationship. Her name was Alina, and at first, it felt like magic. Butterflies, late night talks, the kind of love you think will last forever. But cracks started showing early. She lied about her ex, said they were just friends. I wanted to believe her, so I forgave, again and again. Then the stories stopped adding up. The drives with her best friend, the late replies, the sudden coldness. One night, I trusted my gut and looked through her phone. I found everything: messages, photos, call logs. She was seeing 2 other guys at the same time. I ended it right there, blocked her everywhere. But I still have to see her at work, pretending I'm fine. I miss her. I hate that I do, but I know I did the right thing. So if you've ever been betrayed, remember, the pain doesn't mean you're weak. It means you care deeply. And one day, you'll give that love to someone who deserves it.